or movie theme songs are emotional heartbeat of Filipino dramas and films. These songs are carefully chosen or composed to reflect the story's mood, characters, and central themes, often becoming just as iconic as the show or movie itself. These songs don't just accompany the visuals, they elevate them. They're the kind of music that gives you goosebumps when the drama hits its peak. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the voice of Visayas 2025, the Battleground. Let the battle begin!
In the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, we have contender number 3, Chloe, who scored 11, John Galan.
What